Hi there, welcome to Bali Teak Collective. So what reclaimed teak is this is wood that we salvage from either maybe old homes, old Indonesian joglo houses that are being torn down and being replaced with more contemporary villas. And then what we do is we take that wood and we make it into really unique, handcrafted, you could say, contemporary furniture. So what we're doing with our catalog is we're trying to give you an idea of the kind of stuff that we produce in here, but the pieces that are going to be delivered to you may not be identical to the piece that you see in the catalog. So we want to be able to turn your lake house into an authentic Balinese villa. You can custom order them in regard to size, in regard to whether you want a new piece or a reclaimed piece, because you get to see both sides of what teak can really do for you.